Oh, he found a stick. Didn't even make it to see me. Found something more important. So, what we got going on here is just a real quick and real simple speaker installation. So we got the JL 8W3 version 3 micro sub amplified thing. I measured it out before we got it. Jim got it for me, but that it would fit there perfect, and it does. The only problem is, and then to get it in there, you had to take this off. Then we had to drop the tank out, and then now this doesn't fit here, so we have to bend the bracket so this is further forward. And so we did that, but now see the box overhangs this, so we need some spacers. And I'm gonna put some thread inserts in there now, so we don't have to go underneath like we did to unbolt it. And then, of course, we got the... What's going on with the machinist department? It's awfully noisy.
I don't know. Working with the only bits I got.
Hey, remember when you had that all nice and cleaned up?
Oh, never really let things go bad over here.
Hey, it sounds like you need a little oil.
You know, a nice bit and earthy.
I mean, how much nicer bit do you need?
Well,
Don't worry, Brandon's gonna give me some. He's got so many, remember? Oh, you don't need to buy any. I'll get you all set up. So anyway, as you can see in the machine department, machinist area is really going well.
Really working perfect. Just walk away and let
Right. So this real quick sub install so far is working out as expected.
like almost done.
Oh, easy, sir. Turbo.
I see looking at me.
Are you on drugs?
He is on drugs.
Just because you're too crazy, you're not supposed to be running yet. His leg is, something wrong with his leg. Swollen, and he was limping, and he got x-rays done on it. They didn't see anything, so he's on medication, but he's supposed to take it easy. But he's feeling better, and you can tell he wants to play.
You can kind of tell he's on drugs right now.
Yeah. As you can tell, he's sedated. Anyway, I let him off his leash earlier to go to the bathroom, and then he came running back, which he hasn't ran in a while. I don't think he's supposed to run. And then so he was holding his leg up after that, so that's probably my fault. Irresponsible dog owner. But anyway, we'll just check in and see how the machining's going. Looks like it's working out real good. We'll come back when he gets the cutoff wheel and finishes this up. This is, I mean, you'll get that with these lathes. Sometimes you really just gotta. We need to make an attachment to mount that,
Right,
that we can
perfect.
pivot it. Just lower it on in there.
That should change that would change the direction, but
Yeah, well, you'll get that with
hold
those.
on.
With the
No, that didn't
yeah,
work.
and sometimes when you get those.
Like if you run around outside, reach to the window, it would work better.
Right. Well, that's why we put it there, because the reverse don't work. Yeah. So anyway. Yeah, we need about. I figured that's probably a little more than we need, but it would probably be better than I mean, I could fit my whole fingertip behind it.
What'd you do with that?
Well, which one? We've got multiples. Anyway, before I make one of our videos from yesteryear where it's an hour of wandering around the garage, let me just turn this off. And we'll come back.
Everybody makes hour-long videos.
Yeah, everybody
Just
does.
set it up and let it run.
Right, yeah. Here, let's change the oil on this for an hour. It's gonna be exciting. Anyway. So yeah, anyway. Pretty soon, boom, boom, boom. So, as you can see, it's all done. Kinda. Just have to shorten up that power wire, hook it up, and Jim went to go look to see if we had any eyelets so I can ground it, and that's it. Clean up these RCAs, hook the battery back up. These are super long. I don't have any shorter RCAs at the moment. I'll get some. But that worked out pretty good. Plus it'll hold the box in place. So, sweet.
And I'm still got love for the streets. It's the DRC, putting gangsters all across the world. Still hitting the counters in the moments.